All right, here we go. We're going to be talking today about discounts. Again, very practical thing. Most everything we do with percents is practical everyday math that you're going to use. So let's take a look at discounts. All of you have gone shopping. You buy things and you walk into a store and it's a sale. It's 20% off or whatever it happens to be, or on top of the rack of clothes it says 20% off. You think, well, what is that going? What is that? What does that mean? All right. So let's take a look. Say, for instance, you were going to buy a pair of shoes. All right. The shoes originally cost $80. All right. So $80 is what the price of those shoes are. All right. 80 bucks. Now, but you've got a discount of 20%. All right. So you have a 20% discount or 20% off of the original price. Both are the same, they mean the same. 20% off, 20% discount, whatever. Right? So 20% discount on that $80 pair of shoes. You say, well, what am I going to pay for that? Well, first you find the discount for that price. All right? You find 20% of 80, so you're finding the percent of a number. You're changing the percent to a decimal and multiplying. All right? So that's like saying 20% of 80 equals what? And it's $80. All right? So if it doesn't come out even, you're going to have decimal point, 2 zeros, dollars and cents. All right? So you're going to change the percent to a decimal, 2 places to the left. So you're multiplying 0.20, or really just 0.2, times 80 equals, and you multiply that out. You go ahead and do that. You have 80 times 0.2. You can put the 0 on there, but it's just more chance to make a mistake. You don't need it. All right? So you're going to multiply this out. You're going to have 0, 16, 1 decimal place. All right? And this is dollars. So it's $16. $16. That's your answer. Right? For the discount. That's the discount. That's not what you pay for the shoes. That is the discount. You say, well, then what do I pay for the shoes? Well, the price was $80. This is your discount. That's what you subtract from the price to get you what you pay for those shoes. So you're going to do this. You're going to take then your $80. All right, we're going to bring that down here. $80. We're going to subtract the $16 discount, and you're going to find out that you're paying $64. Doing the subtraction, you're paying $64 for the shoes. This is the discount, $16. You have to subtract that, and that gives you $64. Now, when you're figuring discount and the sale price, which you actually pay for it, it's a two-step process. You find the percent, you find the discount, and then you subtract it. So you're multiplying, and then you're subtracting. You can do it another way. You can subtract first, and then multiply. I like to do it this way better because it's a little simpler to me. May not be to you. Let me show you that way to do it. All right? We're going to keep our same discount. Same pair of shoes. We're going to look at it a little bit differently. Usually in a lot of math problems, there's more than one way to do it. Some ways are easier for some than others. So that was one way. Here's another way to do it. You take a look at this and you say, okay, 20% discount. I'm going to subtract first rather than subtract second. Well, can you do that, Mr. Ernst? Because you don't know what the discount is yet. Right. We aren't even going to figure the discount. We're just going to skip right across and figure the price all right, and a couple of easy steps. So 20% discount, all right, means I'm paying what? If I'm paying all of this, I'm paying 100%, right? 100% of it is $80. But I have a 20% discount. Well, then how much of this am I paying? I'm paying 80% of it. Because 100% for the full price minus the 20% discount is giving me 80%. So I'm going to pay 80% of that price. So I've done my subtraction already, right here. Now I'm going to take $80, this 80 right here, and I'm going to multiply it by 80%, which is 0.8 or 0.80. All right? I'm going to multiply this out, 0, 64, 1 decimal place, $64, because these are all dollars, remember. So I'm still getting my $64 there, but it's a little bit easier because I'm just subtracting my discount from 100% and then multiplying by that percent instead. So I'm still subtracting and multiplying. I'm just doing it in a different order. I'm subtracting from 100% and then multiplying that way. All right. So that's a quick review there of finding discounts, finding your sale price. We'll review it again in another video. Next video coming out here in the next day or so. All right. Thank you.